Welcome to Kotka, Finland, and to the short interview where we'll discuss the trends in the packaging market. I'm here with Päivi Suutari, the Managing Director of Kotkamills, a Finnish forestry company. Hi Päivi, thank you for joining the interview and also thank you for joining our Capital Markets Day.
Hello Mikko, nice to have you here today.
Thank you very much. I will shortly interview Päivi about the consumer sustainability trends in the packaging market, but before we kick off, a brief overview of Kotkamills for our audience. So it is a forestry company based here in Kotka, Finland, and it is the oldest operating sawmill in Finland, founded in 1872. Kotkamills has been part of the Group, the Meyer-Melhoff Group, since August 2021. Kotkamills employs around 530 people here at its mills in Finland, and you have three business lines. So carton board, Absorbex, which is a saturating kraft paper brand, and sawn wood products as well. And you're also seen as a pioneer in developing sustainable material solutions, particularly for food and general consumer packaging, and all the carton board solutions are fully recyclable. And in addition, you use a unique water-based dispersion barrier technology, which means that the board is fully recyclable and repulpable. But let's kick off with the questions, Päivi, and start with the trends. So how are the consumer requirements changing when it comes to packaging?
Well, consumers demand nowadays sustainable packaging. Procarton, the European Association of Carton and Carton Board Manufacturers, has made a study which shows that sustainability in packaging material impact buying decisions and environmental awareness has risen sharply. Consumers perceive a carton board as the most environmentally friendly solution and even switch brands and products because they have concerns about the packaging.
Thank you. And if we move to the second question, this is also related to sustainability. So how is that visible in your everyday work here at Kotkamills, and how would you expect that to change the market?
Sustainability is one of the leading principles in everything we do Kotkamills, starting from the supplier criteria selection to our own products and process developments and to the end product delivered to the customers.
Then if we think about from a consumer perspective, so do you see sustainable products as a competitive advantage, and are customers actually willing to pay a premium for these products?
For sure, sustainability products are competitive advantage nowadays, but it seems that consumers are not always that willing to pay extra for sustainability. Certain end user groups, yes, but not necessarily a big audience yet.
Okay, all right. Then if we think about the regulation, so there's a lot of discussion about single-use plastics. So do you expect regulation to favor fiber-based packaging in the future?
Well, this is a good question, Mikko. Many legislative initiatives are underway on EU level and to be implemented on national levels. We are following very closely the development of regulations for fiber-based packaging as well as plastic ones. It's actually up to us, fiber-based packaging industry, how well we can communicate the facts and arguments to the decision makers.
So there's a need to be proactive. Good. Then if we think about your priorities within the company, so how do you prioritize product features over manufacturing footprint? So is the creation of new and sustainable fiber-based packaging more important than the reduction of CO2 of old existing material?
Both are important for carton board producers. We need new sustainable innovations with a focus on source reduction, easiness of collection, sorting and recycling. However, new or old products, product development must be targeting to the reduction of CO2 emissions as well.
Then to conclude, how are your expectations for chemical providers expected to change in the coming years, if I may ask?
Of course, happy to answer. Good and tight cooperation already at the product development phase, low carbon footprint in chemical manufacturing and logistics, more bio-based alternatives, and on top of my wish list, like always, stable deliveries of sustainable high quality products in time in our mill.
And we do our best to deliver. So thank you very much, Päivi, for the interview.
Thank you.
Thank you.